In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Binance trading fees. This simple guide will help you reduce those pesky charges, providing a wiser and more economical approach to your digital asset trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding how to minimize fees can substantially impact your investment returns over time. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you're going to need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you have enabled any security measures like two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that process as well to safely land on your dashboard where your trading journey begins. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile, easily accessible by tapping on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Once there, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the settings option. Tapping on settings will open up a variety of selections related to account management and preferences. Now that you're in the settings menu, locate the option labeled using BNB. This option is quite significant and helps you tap into one of the key strategies for reducing trading fees on Binance. So go ahead and tap on using BNB to proceed. Once you've selected using BNB, you'll see an option to enable use BNB to pay for fees. Now this is where the magic happens. By activating this feature, you immediately benefit from a 25% discount on your trading fees. It's an easy and effective way to ensure that more of what you earn stays in your pocket, instead of being eroded by unnecessary costs, making your trading experience even more rewarding. Beyond using Binance's utility token, BNB, for discounted fees, there's another strategy that can further reduce your expenses. Instead of opting for the instant buy or sell feature, consider using Binance's spot or convert functionalities. These methods typically incur lower fees, potentially offering a more cost-effective alternative for executing your trades. Adopting both of these strategies can accumulate significant savings, especially if you're executing a large volume of trades. Always remember to double check settings and transaction details to optimize your costs effectively. So, there you have it, a few simple yet impactful adjustments you can make to save on Binance trading fees. Regularly checking your settings and considering different trading methods can lead to significant savings over time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy trading.